hurry up and find them. I didn't even get to take one bite of my lunch. Seriously, taking care of that little furball is one big headache. Where you belong! Huh? You okay? Yeah, just hungry, that's all. Oh, if only I'd eaten my lunch.
Actually beat me!